Blood? That is not normal. That's not blood. It's hippo sweat. Sweat? Pink sweat?
It's my sunscreen. Keeps my skin safe from sun.
So you're not hurt? Just sweaty?
No, but now my skin is dry. Look, cracking.
Cracking? That looks painful. Hippos need water. Without it, skin cracks.
I've been out too long. Sorry. Not scaring you, just tired.
Hippos can open mouths 180 degrees to scare enemies.
You eat grass? I thought you ate meat.
No, vegetarian. Only grass. Better get back in. Skin is too dry.
He's swimming! No, hippos don't swim. They walk on the bottom. Walk? Underwater?
I can hold my breath for 5 minutes.
5 minutes! Duck can only hold for 10 seconds.
Wow, you're amazing.